Hey there, I'm Sheikh Imran from Solo TVD. Welcome to today's tutorial on creating a WordPress child theme using a plugin. Child themes are a powerful way to customize your WordPress website while maintaining the integrity of your parent theme. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process to create a child theme using a plugin. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install and activate the child theme configurator plugin. So going to add new plugin, then searching for child theme configurator. We will use this plugin for create a child theme. So now I am installing the plugin and activating it. After activating the plugin, you will find a new option in sidebar under the tools, child themes. So clicking on it, and this is the page where we can create the child theme. We need to select the parent theme. I will create the child theme for Astra. I am clicking on Analyze button. Now from here we can choose the configuration options. I am leaving it default. Now clicking on Create the new child theme. That's all. Now I am going to theme page. So here is the new child theme. If I activate, and it's going well without any error. Now if we delete the plugin, then don't worry, the child theme will remain. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress related content. Thank you for watching.